If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Toshiba LED TV, and first you have to grab your remote control and click on the home icon. Next you have to scroll down and pick settings and go for the sound. Right now you have to scroll down, select Bluetooth, click OK, then just enable. And right now you have to grab your headphones or this Bluetooth device and turn it to the pairing mode. So that's what I'm gonna do with my Sony headphones. Wait a minute. Okay, and right now you have to click OK when the device is enabled. And just wait a little bit. Okay, it doesn't find our device, so we have to keep trying. So just click on the enable one more time. And as you can see right now, our TV finally find our headset. So you have to just click OK and select connect. And right now we got notification that device is connected. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.